Special delivery. I don't know why I decided to do it with these little child scissors, but we're already here now. Wow. We've got our accessories. Comes with a strap. I think they changed up the handle a little bit. So what's in the accessory box? We got batteries. A battery charger. We've got the remote with a really cute lanyard. Ooh. And then very shiny Astral sticker. See, it's 3D printed. You open the fans from this push button right here, the sticker on it. That's where the battery goes, right in there. I believe the negative side goes down. Look, it's place. Ooh. Next one, do not open it from this side. It does not have the sticker and it has this like raised part around it. Something to know about the fans, they have the remote sensor inside this area of the fan. It's on this push button side where you shouldn't open it. And so you want to point it at that area specifically. Sometimes if you don't, one of them will change and one of them won't. So if that happens, just put one fan like away and point only at the one that you want to change. To change the pattern on these, you're going to point your remote at the fans and it'll either light up the sides or it'll light up the blades. So you hit the 3 lines to go back and forth between whichever side you want to change the pattern on. Currently, my favorite is the yellow with the rainbow, and then I like the green. So it's like the glittery mode with the rainbow. I think that looks really nice. There is an option to also turn off the sides if you wanted to, but personally, I don't think I would be doing that. I think I like it all lit up. A few weeks ago, Astral sent me a pair to test out and give them some feedback, and I really fell in love with them. The lightness feels amazing. The thickness on the handles feel really solid in the hands, like I don't have to squeeze it really hard. Fan one hand stuff also feels great because of the thickness. I don't have to grip it so hard. It feels really good. I know some people will think at first glance that this gap in the middle is kind of weird and boring looking, but I say that it is a great opportunity to do something different with your tricks. Like, I've been playing around with this thing. Make it look like a butterfly, or play around with stuff like this, where you like put the fan through the other fan, right? That's really cool, you know? It gives more options for exploration, in my opinion. And there's already so many LED fans on the market who have spokes in the middle. I think that their design choice was perfect. Yeah, I really like these a lot. Astral has lifetime warranty on their props. They also have Astral Care, so if anything happens to them outside of their normal warranty, then you can protect your props with the Astral Care. I think it's like $60 for the year or something. Don't quote me on it. But yeah, you should do it. Get you a pair of these Astral fans because they're made in the US. They feel really solid. I love them. Get you some. Hello. Do you like my new fans? Do you like them? Pablo